Now let's move to homework. Okay, everyone, I have a homework for you, and I just want you to listen to the conversations. Okay, this conversation is describing or talking about someone who talk in these conversations, and I just want you to add what they are talking about by using what adjective, adverb และ adjective that they use អញ្ចឹងគ្រូសូមបញ្ជាក់បន្ថែមគឺគ្រូចង់ឲ្យពួកយើងស្ដាប់ទៅកាន់កិច្ចសន្ទនាចំនួន5កិច្ចសន្ទនានឹងហើយឲ្យយើងបំពេញនៅក្នុងទម្រង់ទី1កន្លងទី1នេះគឺបំពេញទៅលើអ្វីដែលគេនិយាយអំពីដល់ពេលទម្រង់ទី2មានន័យថាអ្វីដែលគេនិយាយអំពីហ្នឹងដែលគេបញ្ជាក់ជាមួយនឹង adverb បូក adjective ដែលគេបន្ថែមទម្ងន់ទៅឲ្យគុណនាមហ្នឹងហើយគុណនាមហ្នឹងគឺបញ្ជាក់ន័យមកឲ្យនាមតែគេនិយាយអំពីអូខេដូចជាពាក្យគេថា Angela's car អញ្ចឹង Angela's car គឺនាមគឺផ្ដោតសំខាន់ទៅលើឡាន Angela's car គឺឡានរបស់ Angela អញ្ចឹងឡានហ្នឹងវាយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរគេដាក់ក្នុងនេះគេដាក់ថា really expensive វាគឺថ្លៃណាស់អូខេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងស្ដាប់ទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយយើងអនុវត្តធ្វើនៅផ្ទះទាំងអស់គ្នាណា
Tape script 4.12 1.
Look at Angela's car. It's a Mercedes.
Wow, they're really expensive. Is it fast?
Very fast.
2.
Does Tom have a lot of money?
Well, he has a really beautiful house with a very big garden and a swimming pool.
He's very rich, isn't he?
3.
Do you like my new jeans?
Yeah, they're really nice. What make are they?
They're Prada.
How much were they?
They weren't expensive. Well, not very expensive.
4.
Look, that's Peter's new girlfriend.
She's pretty. How old is she?
28.
Wow, that's old.
28? That isn't very old.
5.
Maria's very clever, isn't she?
Oh, yes. She's really intelligent. She knows everything.
Do you like her?
No, not really. She isn't very nice to talk to.
No, I don't like her either.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is a conversation. So you just practice and you just write down the thing that they mentions to, and you just write down the adverb and adjective that describing about the thing that